Part 1. Listen to a press release. The 13th edition of Le Tour de Langkawi, Asia's biggest race from February 9th to 17th, 2008, will see a revamped race route that will provide action-packed excitement from the start to the end. The tour begins in Alostar for the first time since 2001, and after a warm-up on the first day, the riders will all be fired up to conquer Genting, which will be stage 2 of the race. In the past, many riders would have been rather spent by the time Genting comes around. However, it will be a different story in 2008. As all the riders will be fresh, we can expect a battle royale up Genting. A rather flat 130-kilometer opening stage from Alostar to Kulim, the peloton will start off in Tapa and make its way to the peak of Genting on February 10th. The route for Stage 2 lasts a total distance of 118 kilometers, ensuring that the bunch rides out a longer entry to the foot of the climb than previously. In recent years, the Genting Highlands stage has never exceeded 100 kilometers. A good night's rest is needed in Genting, as the tour's longest stage comes next, a 195-kilometer Stage 3 from Lancang to Chukai in Terengganu. As experienced along this same stretch over the years, hundreds of thousands of people are expected to line the route and cheer the riders on. Kuantan, which hosted the start of the 7th stage in this year's race, will once again be the starting point, this time for Stage 4, a 128-kilometer ride through mildly undulating terrain that ends in Kuala Rompin. On February 13th, the race will pick up from where it left off the previous day and make its way further south. Stage 5 offers some breathtaking scenes along the coast, as the peloton goes past Tanjung Gemuk, Mersing, Jamaluang and Mawai, before ending in an expected bunch sprint at Dataran Kejora in Banda Penawa. Stage 6 of LTDL 2008, which also begins in Banda Penawa, will provide yet another scenic route through Teluk Ramunya, Kota Tinggi and Sedili, before finishing at the Dataran Johor in Johor Bahru, where the Le Tour last made an appearance in 2004. The 7th stage of the tour heads back north through the west coast and a relatively flat 128-kilometer stage from Johor Bahru to Batu Pahat, where there is likely to be another bunch sprint. The historic city of Malacca will provide a sensational setting for the flag-off of the penultimate stage, which takes the peloton through a series of milder climbs along the 150-kilometer route from Malacca to Seremban, which passes through Alor Gajah, Tampin, Gemenceh, Bahau, Kuala Pilah and Ampangan. This route could be a great opportunity for the general classification to be shaken up. The final stage on February 17th will feature a grueling 153-kilometer race from Seremban through Rembau, Kuala Klawang and Ampang before ending at Dataran Merdeka. You are now given 1 minute to answer questions 1 to 8. You will listen to the recording again. Check your answers.